A 79-year-old man was found shot to death inside his home at York Circle in Yorktown, Clarendon, Wednesday morning. Police have identified him as retiree Parnell Scott. It was reported that around 6:30 a.m. residents found Scott with what appeared to be gunshot wounds and summoned the police. On arrival, police saw the lifeless body of the now deceased in his house. He was lying on his back and had what appeared to be several gunshot wounds. The police said Scott was clad in a white merino and grey shorts. The body was taken to Maypen Hospital where it was pronounced dead. It was later transported to the morgue pending a post-mortem examination. The police said no motive has been established for the killing. Neither has a suspect been identified. The Independent Commission of Investigations is probing the shooting of a motorist by a policeman during a dispute along Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Tuesday evening. It is reported that about 6:30 p.m. the man and another motorist were involved in a crash along the roadway. It is further reported that a passing motorist who turned out to be a plainclothes policeman made inquiries about the accident and subsequently encouraged them to take their vehicles off the road. The crash caused a pile-up along the heavily trafficked road. An argument developed between the cop and the man which got heated. It is alleged that the man touched a gun on his waist. He was shot by the policeman. The injured man was subsequently taken to hospital for treatment. A 26-year-old welder from Kingston has been slapped with several charges after allegedly threatening to kill a woman on Sunday, August 8. He is Shaquem Owens, otherwise called Buddy, of Glen Drive, Kingston 8. He was charged with shooting with intent, assault occasioning bodily harm, assault at common law, and possession of prohibited firearms. Reports from the Constant Spring Police are that about 12 p.m., Owen and 4 other men allegedly had an argument with a woman. It is reported that the men left and came back with a firearm. One of the men opened gunfire in the woman's direction. Owen allegedly took the firearm from his accomplice and threatened to kill her. A report was made to the police and Owens was arrested and charged after he was pointed out during an identification parade. A court date for him is being finalized.